In this short guide, I'll show you how to add processes and tasks, create templates, and set up job cards in Stagetrac. Processes, tasks, templates, and job cards all work together. Before you can create job cards, you first need to define the processes and tasks your company performs. Let's start from the main dashboard. Click on the Tasks button. This opens the Process Library. This is where you define the types of work your company does and the tasks associated with each process. You'll see that a sample process called Admin already exists. This is only an example, so let's delete it. Click the Delete button and confirm when prompted. Now let's add a new process. A process represents a type of work, such as machining, welding, fitting, or admin work. Each process can contain multiple tasks. For this example, we'll create a process called machining. Enter machining in the New Process Name field, then click Add Process. The machining process has been created, but it doesn't have any tasks yet. To add tasks, click the Edit button on the machining process card. In the New Task field, enter Machine Turn Bearings, then click Add Task. Let's add one more task. Enter Machine Bearing Housings, then click Add Task again. If you want to add another process, click Back to Processes. Now let's add a second process called Fitting. Enter Fitting in the New Process Name field and click Add Process. To add a task to the fitting process, click the Edit button. Enter Fit Bearings, then click Add Task. Now that we've created some processes and tasks, we can set up a template. Templates allow you to quickly create job cards with repeatable steps. Click on the Templates tab. You'll see a sample template already listed. This is just an example, so click Delete to remove it. In the New Template Name field, enter Bearing Fitting, then click Create Template. The template has been created, but it doesn't contain any steps yet. To add steps, click the Edit button on the template. First, select the machining process, and then select the task Machine Turn Bearings. Click Add Step. Next, add a fitting step. Select the fitting process, then choose the task Fit Bearings, and click Add Step. Your basic template is now complete. There is some initial setup required to define processes, tasks, and templates, but once this is done, creating job cards becomes very quick and easy. Now let's create our first job card. Click on the Jobs tab, then click Create Job. Start by entering the job number and job name. Next, select a job category. By default, there is a category called New, but you can add more categories such as Refurbished, Rework, or any category your company requires. To add a new category, click the plus icon next to the category dropdown. Enter the category name and click Add Category. Now continue creating the job card. Select the job category, then choose a template. Select the template we created earlier. Using a template is optional. You can also add steps manually by selecting a process and task and clicking Add Step, even if no template is used. Once all required steps have been added, click Create Job. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the job has been created successfully. Click OK. Next, open the Current Jobs tab. You'll see your new job listed here. From the job card, you can set the job status, purchase order date, delivery date, and update progress. You can also add comments and upload or view photos. To give workers access to the job card, you'll need to print and distribute a QR code. Workers use this QR code to sign in and out of the job using the worker portal. To do this, click the QR code button and select Print QR Code. There are many more features available in the Jobs section, which will be covered in future videos. Thanks for watching.